I wake up at 5 when the rooster's still snoring. Stumble to the kitchen, it's barely even morning. What do I see on my clean table and floor? Shredded cheese and Parmesan, Rob's chili galore. He ate like a hog, left a trail of despair. I'm dodging cheese crumbles like they're landmines out there. Oh, Rob, you're messing up my kitchen again, leaving crumbs and chaos where my patience has been. From your chili disasters to your coffee cup sins, Rob, you're messing up my kitchen again. I get home from work, feet aching and sore, dreaming of my kitchen, all sparkly once more. But there's sugar and creamer, coffee grounds in a heap. Rob's been brewing his joe while I'm counting sheep. He says I tried caring, I cleaned up, I swear, but I'm staring at a mess like he don't even care. Oh, Rob, you're messing up my kitchen again, leaving crumbs and chaos where my patience has been. From your chili disasters to your coffee cup sins, Rob, you're messing up my kitchen again. He leaves a note saying, sorry, I tried my best, but best don't cut it when my kitchen's a mess. I love that man with his boots and his grin, but I'm about to hide his chili pot in the pig pen. Now I'm sweeping and scrubbing till the counter shines, thinking about locking Rob out next time he dines. Maybe I'll leave a note, say, clean or you're done, 'cause Karen's kitchen ain't no fast food run. But deep down I know, through the spills and the strife, I'll keep cleaning for Rob, 'cause he's my mess for life. Oh, Rob, you're messing up my kitchen again, leaving crumbs and chaos where my patience has been. From your chili disasters to your coffee cup sins, Rob, you're messing up my kitchen again. So here's to my